This is a 2003 C240. Today we'll be replacing the accelerator / the gas pedal. So we're here at the accelerator, gas pedal, whatever you want to call it. First thing you want to do is pop this off here. And then we will remove this bolt. I believe it's looks like a 10mm. We'll remove that. You can also remove this pedal to give you some space here. It will swing forward. There's a little clip right here type deal. Let's see if I can get it. If not, don't worry too much about it. We can just put a little ratchet right behind here to get this out. So let's go ahead and get this out here. Alright, so we've removed our 10mm nut here. So let's go ahead and just pull outward and down. There you are. So some people remove this top cover here. Before, I've done in the past, but not this time. So I know you can kind of work around it. So as you see, release it out. So we're just gonna go ahead and unplug that and get the new one in. So we have our new gas pedal here. We're just gonna plug her in and then hook this into a little bracket type deal behind there. It's not really a bracket, it's just more of where a groove for this to go in. So we'll go ahead and do that and then line it up onto that stud there. Alright y'all, so as you can see, it's in position. Little trick, instead of removing this top cover, you can just kind of pull down here to give you a view of that little metal groove, metal bracket that the accelerator will sit into. So now we'll just put that 10mm back on. As you can see, be sure to keep the cap from the old one to cover it back up. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, so we've tightened this down. Alright, so it's pretty good and snug. Go ahead and just put this cap back on. Then push the actual pedal down into its groove, like so, and attach this little pin, metal plastic pin in, and you're done. Thanks for watching.